What's going on, guys? Got some huge news today. We are finally out of all of our poor man cover call positions except for SoFi. I kept SoFi because, one, it's not that expensive and I'm not too worried about it. I believe that we'll be able to continuously make profit with that as the market goes up. However, I did get rid of my Tesla and AMD poor man cover calls because those are shooting up like crazy. Like, we go right here, we'll go to AMD right there. It's at 302 and ours was at 290 and it had to sit at 290 until about December. But I was able to sell out of my AMD and Tesla calls for a actual profit. I think I made about $6,000 in total for AMD and then $2,000 for Tesla. So that's always nice to see. We did get a profit. Now we're kind of sitting here with an extra $6,000 to play with. However, with those profits, I started going into the wheel strategy on SOXL. I got 4 puts on those, one for basically each week of a month. We got the 1st, 8th, 15th, and 22nd, and basically we're going to collect anywhere from $500 to $800 a week on that, depending on how much we push it. We'll see more about that next week, but as for now, we're going to keep those 4, and since those are wheel strategies, if they do go below and we actually get exercise, we're going to get the stocks and we just do cover calls instead of losing actual money. And for the 6,000, I'm going to do a little research. So on Friday, we'll know more about what I'm going to do with the 6,000. We're going to put it in and we're going to watch that grow. So hopefully we're going to be making anywhere from $800 to $1,500 a week, which should net us about maybe $6,000 a month, which is pretty good. It's going to be pretty decent. Can't wait for that to happen. Of course, we also have our dividends over here. I do those on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so you'll see more about it tomorrow. These are also going pretty good. We got about $400 that we are now funneling into our QQQI, our Cube, SCHD, VOO, all the stuff down here, all of our safer stuff. We're using our very risky weeklies to pay those, and eventually we're just going to rely on the longer, safer things to pay for our retirement.